Hey guys, so we're finally doing like something that isn't playing a video game for 30 minutes. Uh, I bought some new computer parts for a guest computer, so we're gonna rearrange my desk and we're gonna film a build video, and we're also maybe making another video if we get anything at the yard sale.
I'm probably just gonna combine it into this video, honestly.
Okay.
Depending how long this takes.
Like an hour probably, but you should do a time lapse.
Yeah,
so.
I'm obviously gonna do a time lapse. I would not gonna. What? Why would I?
Well, we could commentate on some of it.
Well, yeah.
We
well,
probably will. For
yeah. The whole thing.
Yeah.
We're getting off
Anyways,
topic.
So do you want to bring over, starting with the smallest pieces?
All right, let's start with this.
I wanna
thing.
tell them the
You
story
didn't
about the
actually.
ram.
You didn't actually buy this.
So,
There's a lot of dog hair on that. That's
Okay.
crispy.
So it might not work, but
Oh, dog hair, dude. Where has this been?
by underwear drawer.
Oh no, dude. This is
Anyways,
disgusting.
so I bought a 4 gig stick of DDR3 RAM for the guest computer, and I was getting a pair of underwear yesterday, and I found almost the exact same stick, same speed and stuff, by Crucial. Yeah. 4 gigs. So we're gonna have 8. I'm gonna take a 4 gig stick out of here because I have 20, so that will have 12 for now until I buy another stick. Then we'll have 16.
DR3 or 4?
3.
Wait, you have DR3 on that thing?
I haven't bought another yet.
Oh,
Okay,
right.
Next.
Next is the actual RAM he bought.
So this is actually cheaper than that one. I've never heard of this brand. Nemix RAM. It was Amazon choice.
I mean-
so.
That's not bad. I accidentally hit this stand. If you think about it, who even needs Corsair Vengeance when you can have
Nemix RAM.
Nemix RAM?
Hey, and it's blue, so there you go.
Oh dang! Hold on, let me just like something. I want to make sure I didn't mess up the focus. That's fine.
Okay, so
Even if it is out of focus, I'm a little ugly, so
Only-
it'll probably work out for me.
yeah, only 2 more pieces.
You're supposed to agree with me.
I mean, no comment. Like Chris today.
Oh yeah, that was weird.
Take it back. Take it back.
I was getting a little uncomfortable. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, I was waiting for him to leave. He just kept going like, take it back, Carter.
It's not necessary.
Okay.
I was getting really uncomfortable. At first it was like nice, I was like, oh thanks. But then he just kept doing it. He was like, take it back, Connor.
Okay.
I mean, I'm sure he meant well, but it was a little weird, not gonna lie. Look
So-
at this beauty.
It's actually a nicer brand. I have like a Chinese off-brand.
Oh, you're not using EVGA?
I couldn't afford it. And I built
How many
this.
watts is this?
Like 475, 450 or something.
Nah, I mean, it's a 400 watts, so we're not gonna be running like a 1070 off this thing.
It has a 750 Ti right now, but when I buy a 2070 next month, that'll have a 1050 Ti.
So that'll be great for the guest computer and turn me, because that's the computer I use when I come over here.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's
Next
this is probably
piece,
the most expensive part, right? You bought?
That would be that.
You think?
Yeah, it was,
Well.
I don't remember. I think that was 40 and that was like 80. So, and this one we're gonna have to do a little Connor on a tech. Don't do tech racks. Never mind.
Tech racks. No, I'm not gonna.
Connor unboxing here. Forgive the from my camera.
It's bad.
Yeah. So it's
Also,
kind of
I
old.
have just cut myself.
It doesn't have.
But it's okay, cause I got my tetanus shot.
Hey, they haven't been cleaned in like 30 years. So.
That's a hunting knife. How many animal guts? I'm gonna go wash.
Probably not that many. They look new.
I'm gonna go wash my hands, real quick, just so I don't die. Fun fact: knives are sharp. Don't play with them. I used to be a Boy Scout, right? I should know what I'm doing. Blood on this thing. Okay.
So
to the,
I bought a Cooler Master N200 because it's the case that I already own, and I wanted to get it to match a little bit.
And keep in mind, this is the first time we're actually taking it out of the box. So you get to experience this with us. It's like you're really here. Nice and careful with the electronics.
Focus.
Sorry about the constant. That's our amazing camera that we're using. Because we usually use our phones. Because, we're professionals.
Well, maybe if you guys watch more of our videos, then we could afford new cameras. So this focusing is really your fault.
Oh yeah, if you think about it, it's really on you guys, not us. Is this like just a giant anti-static bag?
I think it's just a normal bag. I don't know if the
I was
anti-static.
thinking we could have kept it. I guess it doesn't really need to be since it's just Mongo metal. Alright. Oh, and earlier Chance mentioned a garage sale. That's a big one we're going to tomorrow. It's got a lot of tech stuff. There's a lot of tech stuff there. We're gonna see what we can buy, and if the stuff we get is cool enough, we'll do a little haul section. Anyways, back to the case. Here's the Cooler Master N200.
Okay, move.
Do you want to do it?
Yeah. The best part of buying any electronic.
Agreed. If you can find where it ends, or I guess where it starts.
Oh, it goes all the way around the bottom. Okay, here we go. You can do the other half if you want. We probably should have done that after we were done, but it's too late now. It's like the best part of getting a new phone is like taking that wrap off. My mom got so mad at me when she got her 6S when it first came out. It got mailed to us before she got home, and I took it out of the box and took the plastic wrap off and put it back in.
Beautiful. I'll put a nice fingerprint. Alright, and so this thing has five fan mounts? 5 fan mount. It doesn't have 5 fans per se, but it has 5 places where you can mount fans.
I see 3 in there right now.
We'll explore more of it once we clear off this desk so we can put it on there. So, see you in a second. Okay, just for a quick reference here. This is the current guest computer. So, you can imagine why it needs a few upgrades.
Yeah.
Like,
That's not even like, we use that once. Normally it was a Core 2 quad from my mom's church, or work,
that's right.
with
Well,
the
she worked at
750
the
Ti
church,
plopped in, so.
we're running a real powerhouse.
And now it's some AMD.
God, it's so sharp on the bottom.
Okay, so.
Let's open her up.
We'll stay. listen close, baby, pull you close, and I'll never let you go. I'll never let you go. We'll stay back. We'll stay back. We'll stay
There you go, it's recording again. Why did it stop? Okay, so I have a new method. Alright, trial and error.
So, power button didn't work.
Nada.
Still doesn't work. Are you just gonna start plugging it into random pins
Yes.
till you find the power pin?
Well, isn't that what we were gonna do with the screwdriver?
Well, yeah, but this is oh, that's a fan spinning
It's on. Lights on.
and lights on. Shit, dude. Wait, are you gonna plug in any of the other ones? Why?
It's just, the rest of them are just lights.
I mean,
I don't have lights on mine.
but you don't have the lights plugged in.
No. I didn't have this, so I couldn't figure it out.
Oh. Okay. Well, let's put on the back, I guess.
Oh, mama. Yeah, let's...
Forgot about that little number, didn't you? Start. Oh, just to be clear, we aren't complete amateurs. We did discharge before doing this. Although, on that note, we are standing on a carpet, so.
I took my socks off.
Oh, I didn't.
We're gonna discharge after this, too.
Oh, I'm picking up what you're putting down. Ow! Ooh! Woohoo! Imagine stubbing that ball on your foot that like joins your foot to your ankle.
Uh-huh.
That's what I just did on your bed. Ooh! Yikes! Ow! comments, shut your whore mouth. Although I doubt he even watches our videos anymore. And he's still technically part of the channel. This mouse, also my old gaming mouse. I didn't buy a new mouse actually. Josh, who I'm sure you have seen before on this channel, I actually traded him that for a phone case. So there's that. Hi. So remember I brought up this earlier, if the camera didn't cut the recording by then, because it stopped recording at a random time. We don't really know when. But if it didn't, then you saw me mention this and say it's a little surprise. And it's not really a surprise for you guys, but it's really just me flexing on you. So right here is my most recent purchase. That's right, baby. Woo. Shebang. It's got a 1050 4 gigabyte. Did I say 1060?
You said 1050.
Alright, 1050 4 gigabyte. It's got a i5 8300H, so it's not even the low power one, which I think is honestly better than my desktop one, which kind of blows, but that's okay. It's whatever. It has 8 gigs of DDR4 RAM. It's got a 15.6 inch screen. The touchpad's pretty big. The keyboard's obviously backlit. And it's just it's pretty sweet. And to go along with it, I have this for a cooler. Two giant fans. It's a company called Inventec, which I'll plug it in real quick. These feet actually come out if you want to put it on like a hard surface like a table, so it like stands up. And I'll just plug this in. Turn it on, and it starts going. Lights up blue, kind of comes out the sides like this, and the opaque blades kind of pick up the light, which is cool. And that computer is squeaking again. Anyways, yeah, and this does like a remarkable job of actually cooling down the laptop. Like I was using it for like maybe 2 hours, right? And with this under it, and it wasn't even warm. Because these got to be at least 200 millimeter fans, right? Yeah, it's like twice as big as most desktop fans. So, yeah, it's pretty sweet. I'm glad I'll be able to do more stuff. Like maybe probably even for the channel on the go. And so, yeah, that's me giving you updates / just flexing what I have.
Okay, so this episode is probably ending here unless we go to the yard sale. And get some of the food.
Yeah, like, I mean, we're definitely going to the yard sale. It's just that, like, if we get something like that's actually worth recording, like a good monitor or something, then we'll show that to you. I know it's kind of, our upload schedule's kind of, what's the word, shitty. Yeah, I mean, it's really, we have a lot of, like, things going on with school and stuff, because obviously we don't live on our own. because I'm pretty sure our parents have made multiple surprise appearances in our videos. But I mean, we enjoy doing it, and as long as we enjoy doing it, we're gonna keep doing it. So sorry if our upload schedules are kind of bad. It's just that like either we are in a slump and have no idea what to do. Like that happened for like a solid 6 months, like up until a few videos ago, right? Now we're finally getting back into it, thank goodness. Either that or we're just up to our neck in schoolwork. But yeah. For all 136 of you who are watching this, thanks, I guess. Bye. Hey guys, this is the next day. I mean, really it's the same day, but just later in the day, because we slept for about an hour. Then we went to garage sales. I bought this Colonel's hat for $5 for some reason. I bought this cool automatic card shuffler that fucking doesn't even work. We got this monitor right here, which I don't know if you can see very well. There you go. It's 1080p. It's actually pretty decent. The only problem is there's no stand, and so it's sitting on books right now. So we're gonna order a stand for it. But it still looks a lot better than it did. And I got this, of course, drink holder. Slash drink holder, and of course the crown jewel is this thing, which if you can look closely, it's levitating above the platform. If I had that piece of paper I was using a second ago, I'll just use this charging cord real quick. I'll get a nice close personal meter. I'll take this charging cord and I can just slide it right under there without anything going on, because it's just floating due to magnets, and it spins and stuff. It's a Death Star if you couldn't tell. And another cool thing about this is it's actually a Bluetooth speaker. So chance if you'll crank it all the way up, just show them what it can do. So yeah, guess I'll take the batteries I put in this and throw it away. So that's cool. But aside from that, yeah, pretty cool stuff. I guess we'll just see you in the next video, right? Yeah. Peace.